Hi, welcome to a video tutorial from NYBot. In this video we are going to use this TI-30XS scientific calculator to learn how to use memory and stored variables. This video is part of a full video manual for this calculator. The link to watch that video is below this video in the description. Now let's see how we can work with memory and stored variables. This calculator has memories such as X, Y, Z, T, A, B, C. These are the name of variables that you can store, and they can store real number or expression that resolves to real number. They cannot store imaginary values. Let's see now if we want to store 3, 4, 5 in a variable memory X. So we do 3, 4, 5 and then store button here at the bottom, store, and then this button has X, Y, and Z. If you press it multiple times, you get different values. I'm pressing once and it's X, and press enter. So this has been stored now. If we want to store 2 times 5 into variable T, then we will do 2 times 5 store, and after that we press this button until we see T here. So once, twice, 3 times, 4 times T, and then enter. So the value evaluated and stored in 10. We can do also 7 times cosine of 45, the result to A. 7 times cos 45. We can close it or even leave it, does not matter. And then store and press this until you see A here. A, and then enter. So the results have been evaluated and stored. To recall a memory value, we use a recall button, which is the same as store, but we have to press second function. For example, to recall a value of X. Now to recall value of X, press second function, recall. It shows all the value here on the screen. X is 3, 4, 5, and then let's see if I go down, this arrow shows that we have more values. T is 10, A is this value, and B is 0. If I press it, it goes to C and it comes back. So to X, we can press enter here or press 1. The value is available, and you can either add something or simply press enter. Now let's see if we want to use 5 times A, whatever is the value A. I just enter some value because I cleared it. 5 times, and then we don't need to recall or anything, just press this until you see A. It is multiplied by that value. To recall and see all the values, the same as before, shift recall, we can see the values. I've cleared them all, and A has 4.6. Clear too. Thank you for watching. This was the tutorial for this TI-30XS scientific calculator. Please thumb up the video, and also if you have comment or question, post it below the video. Share the video. I appreciate it. If you want to purchase this calculator, the affiliated links are below this video. If you purchase it, I will get some commission. It will help me. Thank you.